A little bit of this here, a lot of work, very labor intensive. Shoveling by hand is not my favorite type of thing. I'm going to go into a little easier way so you won't have to use any type of shoveling to remove your sod. And then what do you do with the sod when you're done? Today I'm going to talk about certain plants I'm going to be growing in this garden area. One everyone recognizes and most people do grow is the tomato, easily purchased at your local nursery. Another nice thing about this site I've chosen, there is a chain link fence, and some people find those very objectionable or unsightly. I've chosen grapes to plant every 8 feet or so along this fence. The grapes will climb the fence and spread out and create a nice green barrier that can be utilized for beauty, but also for a few grapes that grow on there and make some jelly or eat them plain, it doesn't matter. Also, I've got some watermelon that I'm going to plant on here just to basically spread out. A little bit will grow on the fence, and these are little sugar baby watermelons.